हिंदी। तो आई थिंक बहुत बड़ा उनका कंट्रीब्यूशन है, बिकॉज वेन एवर आई प्लेड माई गेम, दिस इज़ एक्चुअली माई गेम, कि मुझे लगता है कि अगर पहली बॉल आई फील इट्स देयर, आई एम गोना गो फॉर इट। एंड even in this match also it happened same. If you see the yesterday match, I think the positive I said before as well, there was this positive that there wasn't much time for a batter to think about the next game. It was just next day. And as my approach, it's always very much similar to this, because if I feel it's the first ball, I'm gonna go for it, and I usually go for it. And when it's my day, it's usually go like this, and if it's not, I don't mind, because I practice a lot about all about this, mindset and this game I'm having right now.
अभिषेक, इस साल आपसे ज़्यादा छक्के किसी भी इंडियन बैट्समैन ने नहीं मारे। आपने पास किया रोहित शर्मा को, क्या कहेंगे? क्या मान लें कि ये न्यू सिक्सर किंग आ चुका है?
सिक्सर किंग ऐसा तो अगर आप मुझे देखोगे तो ऐसे लगता नहीं है, बट आई थिंक कि थोड़ा ये सारी हार्ड वर्क है जो प्रैक्टिस मैंने की है शुरू से ही। आई थिंक स्पेशल मेंशन टू माय डैड, जिन्होंने बचपन में ही एज अ किड ज़्यादा कोचेज़ अलाउ करते नहीं हैं ऊपर शॉटें मारनी है, बट ही always said me this thing that if you wanna play a lofted shot, it should be go out of the boundaries. तो आई थिंक वो बचपन से मेरा होता था कि जो मुझे कंफर्म शॉट होती है तो आई जस्ट वांना गो एंड एक्सप्रेस माई सेल्फ। Even it's the first ball or the second ball, if I feel it's there, I try my best.
Yeah. Congratulations on the win.
Thanks.
Kind of mixed the ball and kind of congratulations this today. Just sort of like the mindset. I know that's almost like your IPL.
Right.
Was there an adjustment period, coming into the India camp, or were you just pretty much just told to do what you've always done? And that what led to the
I think IPL plays a big role in this, because as a youngster, as a debutant, we didn't feel much pressure when we came to represent the country. But I think it's always a great motivation when once you're playing for the country. And unfortunately, we didn't start well in the yesterday game, but my mindset and my approach was pretty much simple. Even I had word with the debutants. We played all cricket together from under 14, I would say. And I think it's all about the approach in T20 and intent. If as a batsman I show that intent, and if it's my day, so it should usually go like this. Yeah.
Okay, so I know you did touch a little bit on the difference between yesterday and today.
Yeah.
But I really want to know, besides mindset, what exactly was the difference today? Because yesterday was a dot, today was a century. There's a very huge difference. So what was really different between the two?
To be honest, I don't think there was much difference. If you see my first shot today as well, it was pretty much simple. I got out yesterday. So I think my mindset was very much simple, and it was like the mindset I had in the IPL and in the domestic cricket. So it was all about the execution, I would say. It was more better than yesterday. As a batter, I thought about all the balls I played. It wasn't much balls, but still I played 3-4 balls. So I was calculating the risk I should take on the first over, or I should just play according to the ball. So I think that execution went really well today.
Last 3 questions.
Yeah.
So, when you got dropped, did you feel like this was your day today? And also, how did it help the fact that you with the other side, your guy partners there, with this not for you?
100%. Whenever I just get first boundary, it's whenever I get a boundary of 6 or 4 in my first few balls, I believe that it's my day. And after that catch that got dropped, it was like I spoke to the Rutu other end. He was saying that it's a bit difficult to hit this fast bowler, so we have to be bit mindful. And I really thought that he's making sense here. So if you see, I didn't play much shot to that bowler and just try to the other end. So I think that helped me a lot.
Last 2.
अभिषेक, आपके और शुभमन की जो एक तरीके से पार्टनरशिप है, ये 112 डेज मतलब 10 साल से ज़्यादा की ये एक तरीके से पार्टनरशिप हो चुकी है, जो अल्टीमेट एम तक आ चुकी है। आप दोनों ने तब भी शायद यही बात की होगी कि एक बार साथ में इंडिया खेलना है, और 24 घंटे भी से ज़्यादा का वक्त हुआ है कि आप दोनों इंडिया खेल उतरे। थोड़ा सा इस जर्नी के बारे में बताइए। ओवर 10 इयर्स फ्रेंडशिप, पिछले 5 दिन से भी आप दोनों साथ ही हैं।
I think the journey is very beautiful. As a kid, when we started playing, we were around 10, 11 years of age of any, it's like जब हम under 12 से साथ में खेल रहे हैं, and the ultimate goal is to represent the country. And I think जब मैंने ये पहले भी इंटरव्यू में बोला कि जब मुझे पहला कॉल शुभमन का ही आया था, he was very happy. And even I would tell one more thing, that whenever I played with his bat, today I played with his bat, so it went really well. So I think special thanks for the bat as well. And this happens, I think, from the under 12 days, I would say, because whenever I think like this is a pressure game, or this is a match where I should perform, I usually take his bat. Even in the IPL also, I usually ask for one bat, and today he gave me his bat, so I think it went really well. Yeah.
अभिषेक, कल इस समय क्या दिमाग में चल रहा था और अब रिलैक्स है थोड़ा सा, कल क्या चल रहा था, स्पेशली डेब्यू के बाद 0?
थिंक जब आप वर्ल्ड कप जीते हो T20 और ऐसा मैच आप एक हार जाओ, तो ऑब्वियसली इट वाज वेरी डिसअपॉइंटिंग फॉर ऑल द प्लेयर्स. बट स्टिल आई वुड से कि सारे यंगस्टर्स थे, और सारे हम सबसे अच्छी बात है कि सारे हम एक दूसरे के साथ बचपन से खेल रहे हैं. तो एक चीज़ वो बहुत हेल्प की, हम सारे, ऐसा होता है ज़्यादातर ऐसे होता है कि जब ऐसा कोई मैच हारते हैं, सारे अलग अलग रहते हैं, थोड़ा अपनी वो उसमें वो चले जाते हैं. तो आई वुड रेदर से दैट वी वर ऑल टुगेदर, वी वर जस्ट थिंकिंग ऑल द हार्ड वर्क वी डिड इन ऑल दिस ईयर्स, एंड दिस इज़ द अल्टीमेट goal for all of us. So we should enjoy, and we should just focus on the next things which are coming. So I think mindset में यही था कि जो हो गया उसको भूल के अगले मैच पे ध्यान दें.